Alright, what's up guys? So I just got my bike back from the shop and I'm gonna start working on it. So he put the Wilmington Metal Crafts put the QS120 QS120 motor in. Really good. The motor was huge, but he got it in. That was good. And if you guys are gonna do this, there's a swing arm. This is supposed to be mounted on the swing arm. It didn't fit, so he had to custom make some brackets and put it on the bike. And yeah, so I put my airbox in, and then I'm gonna put the battery box in, then put the batteries in, then put the plastics, and then wire up this controller and everything. So let's get to it. Yo, what's up guys? I'm on the Yamaha Yz85 fully electric conversion. Look how quiet it is. Yo, I'm in mode 1 right now. Yo, so that's mode 1. The only thing I need to do is I think I'm just need to get a better tune. That's it. And yeah, so I just have the sprocket this motor came with, which is 14 tooth. I got a 12 tooth for the motor, and I should get a lot more torque when that comes, and that's coming tomorrow. So yeah. But yo, so let's hit it up into mode 2, guys. Ready? Yo. So I have 20% regenerative 20% regenerative braking, where your motor starts slowing down your bike without you pressing the brakes, it's 20% when I let off the throttle, and it gives me two amps back into my battery. So yeah, that's good. So how about we kick it up into mode 3? Ready? Yo, this thing's gonna have so much torque with that 12 tooth. Yo. That was dope! Fully electric Yamaha Yz85. This is a dream build, bro. Like, if I were to have this gas bike, the 2-stroke, imagine how many people would be complaining right now. People still complain that I'm just riding the bike around, but imagine if it was a gas bike with how much noise it would be making. No handers. Ooh. Yo, this bike handles so well. Ooh. Like, this is a dream build. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. It's crazy how I bought this frame almost a year ago. I bought it last June, and it was just going. I bought all the parts. I waited, then I installed them. Then I had to find a shop that will weld my motor on. I found one. It stayed there for 3 months. It didn't get nothing done. So then I brought it to this other guy, Wilmington Metal Crafts, and he knocked that thing out quick. And then a year ago, I didn't have too much knowledge of bikes. Now I have a lot more, but I put an MY1020 in this thing. And then I reversed the polarity, which means reversing the phase wires. Now I know that's a super bad thing to do. And so, the motor was clanking, grinding, all of that. And then I brought it to my uncle. He said it's either the motor or my chain's grinding on my swing arm. So I told him okay, and then he put a chain tensioner on for it won't hit my swing arm. Just like a bearing for it won't be touching my swing arm. And then it was still making that noise. So I was like, I did some research, and I was like, dang, it's the motor. So I was like, dang, bro. So then I went to and got a QS 120 motor, and then the MY1020, I mean, it still ran. It was just making a ton of noise, which probably wasn't good for the motor, but I really wanted to ride it, so I rode it like that. I already had the QS motor, and then I got the fardriver, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna hit up Wilmington, back up, see if he could redo the motor, re-weld it. So I completely stripped the whole bike down, as you guys saw in the last video, and then I got the fardriver, I tuned it, I did all that, and then I completely stripped the bike down, hit up Wilmington. He's like, yeah, for sure, let's do it, bring it in. So once I stripped the bike down, I told my brother to help me bring the bike in his van. So, and he's like, alright. So I went and did that, and then I got the bike back like a few days ago, because we went on vacation. But so then I got the bike back. I was like, I wanted to rebuild it, so everything was good, and then he welded it, everything. Shout out to Wilmington Metal Crafts, and everything was going good. Then I started rebuilding the bike, which you guys saw at the beginning of the video. and the bike was fully rebuilt, and fardriver controller, tuned it, QS 120 motor, all of that. And yeah, so now I'm here riding it. This is so exciting. And bike, it's just so long I've been waiting for this bike. It's finally running smoothly, knock on wood. And yeah, so this bike I've been waiting for this bike for a year since I bought it. But now it's just so exciting to finally be riding it. Yes, sir. So earlier I hit a top speed of 40, which it's fast, but for a 72 volt and a QS motor, for my setup right now, I should be going faster, but I did it on this stretch, this road, and since I have a 14 tooth, I didn't have a lot of, it's gonna take time to build up, so with a super long stretch, I could probably hit 50, but I don't like that. I could put the bike in sport, so in the settings I have inline, eco, and sport. So it's inline right now. I heard that that's the best. And with a better tune, I could probably, I'm hoping, go faster. And then I got a 12 tooth, so it should be more torque, less speed. But in my situation, I think I could get more torque and more speed. Yeah. But overall, I like this bike. Like, look at that. I'm just so amazed how quiet it is. Because this exact same bike, a 2-stroke, bro, you can hear this from so long away. Original Yz85 supposedly goes 60, so I'm going to try to make this bike go 60. I'm going to use all my power to make this bike go 60. So that's my point where I want to go. I want to be able to go compare with the gas Yz85. But you! In the comments, guys, if you guys have a Yz85 and how fast that thing goes, comparably stock. But this bike is just so nice. So guys, I was just riding on the time lapse you guys saw. I don't know if you guys can see that, but 39 miles per hour. Sheesh! And I'm on a basic tune. Think about that. That is lit. So my motor's at 42 degrees, which is pretty good. So let's keep riding. Bike is so much fun. I didn't charge it all the way last night, so I'm at 78 volts. So I didn't charge it last night, so that's why. I was charging another bike, so I didn't want to use all that. Just go. Woo! So once I get the tune in, I'm probably gonna race on Ultra B and KTM, so stay tuned for that. Right when I go in today, I'm probably gonna get the tune going, because since it doesn't have a lot of torque, there's 3 modes I could put it in: a line, then there's eco, and track or sport. Wait, I think it's sport. So sport is where, like, they say you could do drag races and stuff. Like when you're drag racing, that's what the sport is for. So I have it in line right now. I'm gonna try to put it in sport later in settings. And then my front fender needs to be tighten. It's a little loose. But yeah. Yo guys, go check out my website where I sell these dope razor kits to modify your bike. 72 volts, 48 volts, 3000 watts, 2000 watts. Go check it out. It'll be everything you need to modify your razor. So go check it out. And I'll put it up on the screen. Ben's electrified bike kits will be in the description and in my bio. Go check it out. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned.